Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started towards a new video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. So here you need to enable the physical activities, and then you need to start walking. Just click on the boost, and 2x boost gives you 20 minutes a day to walk. So whenever you walk, the steps starts counting, and there's a trick that you can just hold the phone and move left right like that, or right to left, so that the steps get start counting. And here you can get the daily bonus by completing 500 steps and 1000 steps. So whenever you start walking, you try to collect these steps so that you can get more bonus. So here you can see um, like how the steps counts, and 2x boost is running fine. And here you can see total 16 lakh 1684449 boosts used by all the users. So whenever you collect 1000 steps, you will be able to see watch ad section in the daily bonus, so that you can watch the ads. So once you're done, here you can see the daily prices. So whenever you refer your friends, you will be able to redeem PayPal cash withdrawals. Other than that, you can just redeem the products or the gift cards, which cost you a lot. So make sure you check that information. And here you can see the market feedback, daily bonus, and all these details are updated here. So like this you can use the app, guys. So today we have collected around 19.99. like this you can collect every day, and whenever you're for friends, you get 5 sweat coins. So sweat coins are the most important, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell.